The physiography of Assam. Assam, as it is today, may be divided into three important physical regions: the Brahmaputra Valley, Barak or Surama Valley, and the hilly areas of Karbi Anglong and North Kachar Hill districts. The Brahmaputra Valley is named after the river Brahmaputra, and the valley has mainly the alluvial soil, and it's formed by the aggregation work of the Brahmaputra and its tributaries. The length of the Brahmaputra is 725 km and the breadth is 80 to 100 kilometers. It runs through the passage of Meghalaya Plateau and Bhutan, Arunachal Himalayas, and the valley finally opens out into the North Bengal Plains. The second natural division of Assam is the Barak or Surama Valley, and it is surrounded by North Kachar, Manipur, and Mizoram. The river Barak flows through this valley and it empties itself to the old bed of Brahmaputra in Bangladesh. Flood is common feature here, lending the quality of fertility to the valley. The third physiographic division is the Karbi Hills and the North Kachar Hills. The two valleys, Brahmaputra Valley and the Barak Valley, are separated by a long range of hills. Those are the Karbi Hills and the North Kachar Hills, which are located in the south of the Brahmaputra Valley. Karbi Hills are a part of the Meghalaya Plateau, the height of which is 600 meters, which finally merges with the Boreal Range. The Boreal Range is the highest hill range in Assam. The Laika is the highest peak of Assam, which falls in this Boreal Range. The climatic condition of Assam is quite different from the other rest of the country. It is humid, tropical type in the plains and subalpine in the hills. It have got heavy rainfall and vegetation is green all round the year. The average temperature in summer is around 36 degree and average temperature in winter is 6 degree. The winter season mainly it is from October to February and rest of the month rains predominate. Rainfall in Assam is one of the highest in the world. It varies between 178 to 305 cm. The rainfall is mainly concentrated in 4 months, that is from June to September. The hills and the foothills receives more rainfall than the other areas. Assam is very much prone to earthquake. The earliest mention of earthquake was seen in the Tungkhungya Buronji, a book on history of the Ahom rule, which was written in 1696 that recorded some important earthquakes of Assam and the entire northeastern region of India in the medieval period. In June 12, 1897, an earthquake of 8.7 in the Richter scale was recorded, where a forested foothill area about 40 km to the southwest of Guwahati sank down to give rise to the present Chandobi Lake, which still bears the submerged stumps of the large trees. Another major earthquake was in 1950 August 15 after the 1897 earthquake. Till now, the number of earthquakes have been rising, though major earthquakes till now have not been recorded after 1950. The rivers of Assam. Assam has mainly two rivers, Brahmaputra and Barak. Brahmaputra is the main river of Assam. The source of this river lies towards the east of the Manas Sarovar lake in the Himalayas. Brahmaputra flows about 725 km through Assam and then it turns southwest beyond Meghalaya. Then it joins the easternmost branch of the Ganga, which is known as the Padma, and empties together with Ganga into Bay of Bengal. The Brahmaputra river has two islands, the Majuli Island and the Umananda Island. The Majuli is the largest river island, Umananda is the smallest river island. The next most important river of Assam is the Barak River in the Kachar district of the state. The Barak originated in the Naga Hills and it flows through Manipur and then it bifurcates into Surama and Kushiara. Bridges over Brahmaputra River. There are total 5 bridges over Brahmaputra River. Those are Saraighat Bridge, Kolia Bridge, Nornarayan Hetu, New Saraighat Bridge and Bogibeel Bridge.